Does research seem boring to you? Well, guess what? We're making it fun.
Hello everyone, this is Arif. I am your course coordinator.
And I, Mr. Nahan Istamil, will be the course instructor for the Research and Analytics course of this year's Skill Search 2.0.
Our course module includes 3 basic skill sets needed for any student, which are research methodology, Microsoft Word, and Microsoft Excel. And our course is divided into 6 lessons.
For the very first time ever, Dhaka University Model United Nations Association gives its members the opportunity to learn what research is, how it should be conducted, and how to incorporate data management and data analysis into their everyday life, academic life, as well as their professional life.
So what are you waiting for? If you are a member of Jumuna, enroll in this course.
So let's make researching fun. So I think we can get started.